Hi Libras, welcome back. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards, and Libras, if you are a cross watcher for Leo reading, I will be giving my Leo reading in my other channel from next week onwards. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading there, Libras. So I'll be sharing that channel's link in the description. You can see that. So this card is for your relationship, Libras, and this is for your career situation. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have about your circumstances, Libras. And I request you to watch this reading till the end, because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting today. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. Six of Swords, Judgment in reverse, and Seven of Swords. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or in your work, you have people who are competing with you, a lot of competition, and you are someone trying your best. But today, certain circumstances are really difficult for you, though you are doing your best today. Some things are not working as you had hoped for. So your expectations are not met and you feel a little lost or stressed. That may be the way things are going in this relationship, Libras. So you have some worries on your mind and you want to change your circumstance. And when you feel that you are powerless to do anything, maybe you are thinking of easy ways to give up all these responsibilities, these burdens, and you are trying to choose something, make a decision for yourself to give up some responsibilities, these burdens. But Libras, you need to understand that if you want some good things in your life, you must be ready to make great efforts. And you should not feel lost or feel that lack of energy or lack of inspiration today and give up. Giving up is something bad. Maybe you should try. You should try, because only if you make the efforts needed, you will achieve the things you wish to see in your situation. So that may be true even in this relationship. Maybe you are trying to build that understanding with this person, trying your best, but when things are not going as expected, you must give up the expectations you have, but not give up the efforts. So you must do what you need to do today and have that faith and hope for something beautiful coming in your life. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's King of Wands in reverse. So in your circumstance, though you are together, there may be a lot of misunderstanding and you feel that you cannot listen to them, or there may be people giving you some valuable ideas. If it is someone close to you, it may be your friend or a family member trying to make things better for you. So they are here to advise you on certain things. If they are telling you something important, you must listen to them, guys. That is going to help you, Libras. And Libras, whatever troubles you are seeing today, there is a chance for a change coming soon. Maybe you are going to listen to someone's advice, or you will see that your circumstances themselves are changing. So you will see a change coming over you. It may be the change you see in yourself because of the circumstance. So some positive turn of events coming very soon for you guys, or this person may change their ideas or the way they are with you. So some changes, positive transformation is what I see for you all with these cards. So for your work circumstances, it's 3 of Wands. So you are happy about the opportunities you have now, and you're waiting for better opportunities or offers, and you're going to see good offers coming in your work situation, Libras. So that is the energy with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card here. So for those who chose this card, it says the Nixie of Mill Pond, memory. So in your circumstances, you are trying to avoid something. It may be a person or a circumstance. You are trying to avoid some emotional situation, and maybe you are trying to control your feelings for someone or something, and you are unable to control that. You are unable to have that complete control over your feelings, but it is necessary to understand that it is better you face this circumstance, whatever you are trying to avoid, because if you face that situation, you will be freed of all that fear and anxiety that you have. And by facing this circumstance, it is going to bring great changes in your heart. It may bring lasting changes in you, and it will have a great impact on you, and you will be tested. But when you face your emotions you have been avoiding, it is going to bring that end of sorrow, and it is going to bring joy. Maybe you have some fears to face a person or a circumstance, but it is better to face it, guys, right now, because it is going to relieve you of all the stress and anxiety, and you will realize the people who are true to you, your true soul family. So you will have a better understanding if you are able to give up your fears and face what needs to be faced today. And you are avoiding a connection. Someone is here and you are avoiding some kind of an emotional connection, and this may be the time for you to rethink about your decisions, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So we will see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, it's Rose Quartz. So it's a crystal spirits card, and the guidance with this card is that maybe we often forget how amazing we are. So, this is the time for us to remember our true beauty, our true worth. And this crystal spirit is here to remind us of our soul's worth. So, are you comparing yourself with others and convincing yourself that you are not good enough, or you have to work hard, you have to do much better to deserve what you want for yourself? So, this is not the time for that, and it is wrong. Comparing yourself is wrong, and you must let go of this mentality of comparison. So, comparing yourself to someone should be done when you want to match their inner strengths with yours, so that you will amplify your experience with more love and prosperity. So you must go for that inner change, and you should not uh, compare yourself to feel that you are not worthy enough and you are not up to the mark, up to your expectations. And this is the time for you to connect with people who see uh, that you have beautiful attributes, who see your inner beauty. So you must remember those times where you felt very confident, smart, playful, and strong, and whatever qualities you have within you. You must understand that you have everything you need right within you to desire what you truly want in life. And you will see that if you have that understanding, you will see that in this relationship you will be reflecting all those beautiful attributes, and you are worthy to desire whatever you wish for yourself today, guys. So that is the energy here. And this crystal, it suggests self love. So we must love ourselves first in order to love others. So that is the core message here. So you must try to understand your true worth. That is going to help you in all your relationships. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.